Good afternoon. Today I am making a recipe from Dinner in an Instant by Melissa Clark, and this is garlicky Cuban pork for the Instant Pot. So we're going to do this, and we have some, it differs a little bit from her recipe because I'm using lean loin pork. I don't want to have a lot of fat, and that's why I'm using this lean loin pork. And so we have the pork, and we have a lot of garlic cloves, grapefruit, lime, cumin, fresh oregano leaves from outside, bay leaves, brown sugar, and right here we have the beginnings of the guacamole I'm going to be making with that, and we need for that the cilantro, and that also goes into this dish. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is prep the citrus, and I have a Braun food processor that has a citrus. I'm going to put it on 7 just for fun, and just like here. Turn it off for a moment. Now time for the lime. I'm only going to use a half a lime because I need to have some lime for garnish. So we're going to use half. Come off. I can remove this. In the sink. Because now it's time for some of the rest of the ingredients, which include zester and not make a mess. Okay, now I did that. Now I'm going to add the S blade in there, add the brown sugar, add, so it's a full teaspoon and a half of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Most important part is what? The dish is called garlicky, so we're going to add all the garlic. Those garlics are right in here, and we're going to also add the oregano, which is right here, and put the top on. I'm going to turn it down to 5, and then I'm going to just put it on. Okay, now that our marinade is made, it's time to get the marinating process started. The best way to marinate is to put something in a vacuum seal bag. So I have a vacuum seal bag. I have multiple holders. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we're going to pour this in also. Okay, the pork is now nicely sealed up, and it's time for a relaxing rest in the refrigerator. Okay, we're back, and It's been about 2 hours. So this meat has had plenty of time to marinate. And just going to take this. Now, I have the Duo Evo Plus, which means that my Instant Pot pan, inner pot, comes out. And I can put it on the stovetop, which is what I'm going to do today. If you don't have that, what you'd want to do is put your Instant Pot on saute or use a regular pan and saute the meat here. Okay, first is to heat the pan. Okay, and then we're going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil to the pan. Make sure it's all done in there. Okay. Now, start taking the pieces. As you take them out of the marinade, as you take the pieces out of the marinade, shake them. Okay. There we go. Another one. Oh, now you can hear it sizzling. That's good. Okay. And there's another piece. And the last piece. In this case. And I am putting my marinade in a little bowl so it doesn't get away, because I'm going to be adding that back in. Okay. Use tongs. There it is. Okay. And I'm going to take it brown on each side. This will take a few minutes to do this. I'm going to wait until it's brown on each side, and we'll come back. Okay, now we have browned these on both sides. It's lovely. And we're going to add the marinade back in, turn this down, add the marinade back in. Make sure you scrape up all that good stuff on the bottom, what's called the pond. Make sure that's all scraped up. Okay, there you go. That's beautiful. Now, I'm going to turn the heat off. Okay, now you're in the Instant Pot. However, I really don't think that's enough liquid, so I'm going to add some white wine just to be on the safe side. And there we go. Okay, now that we're in the Instant Pot is on. I'm going to seal it. That little noise, and we're going to put it on pressure cook. We're going to put it on custom. Press the button, and I'm going to dial to this is loin pork, so I'm going to make it go for an hour and 10 minutes. Okay, on high, and here we go. Do. All right, see you in an hour and 10 minutes. Okay, it has been an hour and 10 minutes. This pork is perfect. Take it out, shred it. It's mostly already shred. And the sauce is pretty thick, but it could get a little thicker, so I'm gonna just put a flame under it. While that's happening, I'm going to shred this with a fork. See how lovely and easily that does that? That pork was cooked perfectly. Okay, let's give this a taste and see. This is the sauce. I'm just going to put a little in here. To get a taste. A little sauce on it. Put it up. That is absolutely amazing tasting. Well, I'm going to go now and eat my taco. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.